Hello guys, this is Devdutt. Welcome to this my channel. Today I am going to show you a game between Henry Edward Bird and Emanuel Lasker. So 2 years later, in 1892, 2 years later, Lasker became the world champion. So, can you beat the world old champion? Let's go. How did Henry Bird start the game? Do you know? Yes, it is Danish Gambit. So, this move, e4. Now, of course, there are other good moves as well, but to reach this gambit, Danish Gambit, we have to start this way. Now, you continue with this move, right? So, welcome to the Danish Gambit. There is no time for Black to relax, as the battle for the center has already begun. So now guess the move. What do you think? Now, this move, right? So this is by far Black's most popular reply. Now, if you want to continue Danish Gambit, you have to play this move. So, we are sacrificing a pawn. Recapturing with the queen is possible, but we don't want the queen to be exposed to attack. We want speedy development, not to move the queen around. So, Black takes this pawn and Black accepts the challenge. If you ever find yourself at the Black side of this opening, you should consider declining the offer by countering in the center instead. So now, what do you play? So obviously, this move, keep on sacrificing. For each pawn Black captures, we get a new piece into the game. So, C takes B2. Now, Black has only moved one pawn and it is already close to queening. What do you play? Yes, of course, it was the time to stop the pawn before it started capturing the big pieces. Look at this position. Is not it a dream come true? Now, Black plays queen to G5. But here, this is a bad move. It would have been better to focus on normal development. So, pause the video and think, how do you punish Black? So, pause the video and think. If you guess this move, then you are genius. So, another piece is invested in the attack, right? So, right now, all our attention should be aimed at punishing Black for neglecting the development. Neglecting the development, right? The pieces here all are developed for White, but the Black side, all pieces are at home. They are not developed. So we have to punish Black for this neglecting behavior. So Black takes this pawn, another sacrifice. So Black is consistent and keeps on grabbing pawns. So if Lasker, the player actually, could reach the end game, he would be doing great. We just have to make sure the game does not last that long. So pause the video and think, what do you do? Make your move. If you guess this move, then you are good at chess, because it also attacks queen and making a counter threat. Now black plays bishop to b4 and check. So here you have the choice between blocking the check or moving the king. So, do you know what did Henry Bird do? You normally don't want the king stuck in the center, but in this case it is safe. That's being said, blocking with the knight was also strong. This move is also strong, but here this is safe and more powerful. So white has developed 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is also. So white has developed 4 pieces while black is only dancing around with the queen and the bishop. So how do you exploit this? So guess the move as white. Pause the video and think, how do you exploit this? Bam! A great move. If black captures the bishop, then what will win the queen by 4? So, a sad retreat. Now white has many good moves at this position. Which one do you think Bird choose? Guess the move? Yes, the rook is lost. So, Lasker, that means black, kept the fight going. He plays this move. When you are attacking, it is important to invite more pieces to the party. Of course, it was possible to take the rook, but Bird wanted more. So pause the video and think, what do you play if you play as white? By this move, knight to g5, white threatens the black queen, but this is not the only threat in this position, because black saved the queen. But as you know, there is an even more important piece on the board. So what did white play now? Correct. This is checkmate. Because this pawn is unable to capture knight because it is pinned, and this is also blocked by this bishop. So it is checkmate. The black pawn is pinned by the white queen, and white bishop covers the only potential escape square. So how often do you see a world champion lose in such a fashion? Of course, he can blame it on the fact that it was a village game. This is a village game actually. Nevertheless, he was punished for neglecting the development. So, you probably would not see the Danish Gambit in a world championship match, but you should definitely try it out in bleach or bullet game. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.